So guys, let us continue with the string functions, and let me create another file as class6.ved, and I'll zoom it a bit. Yes, and let me open the documentation. Okay, so we are here in the string methods with parameters, and we're going to see about the converters. Okay, and the first method would be index of. So let me create a normal, okay, let me create a variable as txt equals to abcd. And what if I want to know the position of c in this character stream? So I'll ask the compiler as pos equals to txt dot index of the letter c. Okay, so what I am specifying here is I am calling the method index of and applying it to the txt variable and asking for the position of this capital C. Let me run the program as Veda class6.ved, and the position of C will be 2 because we start from 0 in programming. Okay, and the next method is character at. Okay, ch underscore 80 equals to txt dot character at, and I'm going to pass number 2, and that would obviously return C. ch underscore 80. I'm running this program again. Yeah, it returned C. I'll ask for D, and I'll pass in 3. So here the input has to be a number in a string format, and the next method will be replace. So I'm trying to replace, one second, let me get this right. Okay. Okay, here I am trying to replace D with Z. Let us do it. txt equals to txt dot, using the method replace, and the first parameter would be the target and the second parameter would be the replacer, and I'm going to print txt. So now the txt will be updated because we have reassigned it. So A, B, C, Z. So that's how it works. And the next method is last index of. See, if we want to find the index from the first, then we have to use the method as index. But what if we want to find the index from the last? I don't know why am I missing with this. Okay, so for that we have another method as, okay, let us say if we have the text like this, A B B C D D B B A. Okay, how to find the index of last A? The index method would return the occurrence, only the first occurrence. Index of A, and it would return only 0. Let me run this program. See, it has returned as 0. But what about the last occurrence of A? How do we find it? So for that we have another method as last index of. So this method helps us to find out the last occurrence. So it is 8. And the next method is substring. Okay, substring is basically used to slice the text or character sequence. So sub underscore string will be equal to txt dot, calling the method substring, and I'm passing the parameters which are string type, integers in string type. So I'm starting from 1 to last position is 8. So now all the 2 A's will be removed, and the rest of the string will be returned. So okay, I want to start from the second position. Here it is a bit different, because this index is not supposed to be the programmatical index, but it is just a mathematical index position. Okay, so we don't have to specify 0 for 1, we can just use 1 for 1. Okay, then I'm going to concat strings here. Then let us create string underscore 1 equals to hello, and string underscore 2 equals to world, and let us create a string equals to, using the method concat and passing string 1 plus empty spaces plus string underscore 2, and let us print string. Let us see what's going to happen. See, we have built a new string with the method concat. Let us we have already seen this method which converts the type. Okay, let's see it again. See, if let us create a number equal to 23, and let us see the type equals to type of the variable number, and let us print the type. Let me clear this. Okay, it is an integer. So what I'm doing is I'm updating the number with str number. So this would this is exactly type casting. Number, print number. No, I don't want to print the number. Type equals to type of number, and then I'm going to print the type. Let me clear the screen and print it. So it is string. So that's how the type converter works, caster. So now we are going to split a string. Okay, so let the string be string equals to hey hello how are you doing, and let us break it. So if you are assigned a work to calculate how many strings are there in this how many words are there in this string, so you can use this word underscore list equals to string dot split at splitter. So you have to specify the splitter first. Splitter equal to the empty space, and this method will return a list. So you can't just use print and print the word list, as it would return the memory address of it. So instead you have to do like this. You have to use the method view, and I'll be specific about this method view in the later videos. So see, hey hello how are you doing. So totally there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 words in this string. So this is how you can calculate the number of words in a given string. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.